Hey guys, today I will show you a quick way to debloat Windows 11 by running a simple command in PowerShell. This command has a variety of options including app removal, telemetry, tracking, Copilot, and AI features, personalization, and much more. Okay, I have my virtual machine running 24H2 for this tutorial. This is a fresh Windows 11 installation. Let's open PowerShell and run it as administrator. I'm going to copy and paste the following command, hit enter. You will see several options: default mode, custom mode, and app removal mode. I'm going to select custom mode so that I can select specific options including removing Microsoft Edge. Press 2 and hit enter and you will see the following screen and options. You have several options here. I will go ahead and select option 3, manually select which apps to remove. You can check or uncheck all. I'm going to scroll down so I can select Microsoft Edge and Copilot. Once you select your options, go ahead and hit confirm. You will now be asked to disable specific apps, telemetry, AI features, and Copilot. I will go ahead and select only certain options, but you can select any options you would like. You will be asked to create a restore point. Finally, press enter and confirm your choices. You also have the option to cancel by pressing Ctrl+C to quit. Once you hit enter, you will see the script run and start removing all apps, settings, and features you selected. You will see I had to forcefully uninstall Edge. Hit enter to exit. You have now debloated Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials. See you guys next time here on ML Tech.